Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens by signing up for their newsletter. Their ICO starts on December 4th and runs until January 29th.
Hey, what's up everybody? BTC is at 10K. It is a good day today. I hope everyone's having great gains. I'm fixing my mic stand, and I think I should be good now. I'm finally on a green screen. Higher production value as BTC keeps rising. We're going to get better and better production value. So this is great. And if you're just joining us, welcome. And if you're brand new, again, welcome. I'm going to try to keep things simple and complex at the same time. Head over to cryptosonic.com. If you're completely new to crypto, it's definitely a great starting place. We are adding our beginner section or our guide section, a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit of how to get into crypto, a little bit of what to do, what not to do. So definitely check that out. All right, let's go through this, guys. Wow, I feel like I'm a little too big. I'm gonna shrink myself a little. All right, let's shrink myself a little. Okay. All right, cool. I'm shrunken. All right. So, as you see, Bitcoin has hit 10K, and we're going to take a look at the charts. I mean, this is amazing, guys. Like, everyone just pat yourself on the back if you were an early adopter. I mean, I'm going to do it to myself. Just absolutely amazing. Just BTC taking off, completely blindsiding all the naysayers. I mean, we're going to go back home and just see exactly where we're at right now. Let's just see exactly where we're at. Oh, yeah, and if you're completely new to Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, go to cryptosonic.com and join our newsletter, and you'll be emailed a free guide. Pretty legit. And we have some pretty good news, videos, basically daily. Check it out. But let's see. Okay, we're at around $10,000. $10,000. That's so impressive. About 6 billion in volume, just in the 24 hours. Incredibly impressive. Incredibly impressive. So we're gonna actually go take a look at the charts here. BTC, USD, Coinbase. Let's check that out. I like to use Coinbase because it's just a more accurate trading platform, in my opinion. Things aren't being manipulated by tethers, brand new tethers being issued and whatnot. So it's usually the best. But all right, let's hide this. Okay, and we're gonna go BTC USD, and we're gonna go to Coinbase. All right, and we're going to go to the 4-hour because the daily is just a little too big for us because we are traders and investors, but I'm more of a trader than an investor. If the technology or a conference or something doesn't pan out, I'm dropping that coin. I love blockchain technology. I'm reading 2 books right now, both on Ethereum and Solidity in general and smart contracts in general. I love blockchain technology. That's not what I'm saying. But at the end of the day, it's the bottom line for me. So if it does not make me money, it's no use to me. It's absolutely no use to me. But let's check it out. We are on Coinbase. We are at 9,900. So 9969, guys. 9969. Absolutely incredible. We're gonna keep zooming in here, and I'm actually gonna unlock the scale so I could clearly look at this. So this is what we were working with. Let's auto scale that again. This is what we were working with over the past couple months here. Let's keep taking a look. Let's actually pull it out to the 12-hour. See half a day response. Let's see this. Okay, so we were traveling into inside channel, and just a brief history of how we got here. We had the China FUD right here, right around here. Actually, let me pull this dot out. Okay, so actually let me mark this up. So we'll mark it up in white. Okay, why not? And this is our dot here. Okay, so that was China FUD, September 15th. We got as low as around 2,900, 2,800. And then what did we see? On around October 15th, we saw a complete bounce back. And we were pushing all-time highs again at around 6,000. And then we had a small little dip, a little correction, if you may. And then we pushed up to 73, and then we dipped back down. You know, some other more rumors, some, you know, a little bit of a market fatigue, I would say. I think we're about due for some market fatigue. I mean, we haven't seen a damn red candle, right? Like, so insane. Such impressive growth. Absolutely love it. A little scared, a little hesitant about investing any more fiat into Bitcoin. I wouldn't invest any more fiat into Bitcoin. That's just, I just wouldn't do it. That's just very risky, I think. But we are looking at a nice little rally right back up to the 82, and then we actually had a little bit of negative momentum. As you see this momentum chart, this is called the lazy bear momentum. Actually, I don't like this dot at all. I'd rather have the cross. Okay. While you see this lazy bear momentum, you saw the buy pressure waning, and you saw that little dip, and we came to a decision point. And let's just look at the MACD. We came to a decision point. We thought we were going down on the 12-hour, and we were just like, just kidding, and we took off again right around there, exactly right there. And we had a buy signal hit on the wave trend cross. Let's look at the wave trend, and it looks like we are consolidating back again, and we may hit another sell signal, but nothing too strong, I hope. But yeah, we are still there, and we are right now still rallying according to the momentum, according to the MACD, but we're going to pull into a closer time frame to see exactly what price point we're looking at. So we're at the 4-hour. It's definitely looking like we have hit our top. I mean, that is a lot of indecision right there. Two days of indecision. I mean, we're hitting an inverse hammer here. I think we may have hit even a doji there. What an inverse hammer and a doji does is inverse. Actually, this is a hammer. What an inverse hammer kind of indicates a bottom, and a hammer kind of indicates a top. That's called candlestick formations. Let's take a look at that. So we hit a hammer. This is what it's called, a hammer right here. I don't know. Actually, let me zoom in some more. So let's take a look. This is called a hammer. So when the candle is very small up top, and let's just draw it out, actually. Oh, I don't want the text box. I want that. All right. So imagine this is your candle, okay? And your tail is going to be, your shadow rather, is going to be like that. So that means it was very low open, very low close, and you saw that there was a lot of in between. The low was very low. And that's what it's called, a hammer, and that kind of indicates a top. Not all the time. There's a lot of other factors that you do have to consider. Oh, and I've been hiding the live chat. Hold on. Let me see what you guys have to say. All right, welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much to all the loyal viewers. Actually, Sam started this channel a while back ago, and I've always been behind the scenes helping make presentations and stuff, and then I recently got on around late October rather. So I'm relatively new at this. Any sort of comments or criticisms, let me know. I've been doing this. I've been trading crypto since 2011. Been behind the scenes. Lots of gains to be made. I bought Ethereum at around $6-7. Bought Neo at around 85 cents. It's been a good 2017. Let's just say that it's been a great 2017. But yeah, that's what a hammer is, and that's what something you really need to keep a lookout for. This is a doji. A doji is not a hammer. Even though it gives a nice little H, but doji kind of shows uncertainty. And you saw, as soon as you see a doji, you have to be like, okay, it's either going to, waver, consolidate, or it's going to take off or break down almost immediately. And you saw that within 24 hours, you saw a complete breakout of that doji, and that's very significant, guys. And I really want you guys to take a closer look at that. you know, candlestick patterns are very important. If you trade Forex or anything, I'm not a financial advisor, but I used to trade Forex, used to dabble in Forex. And, you know, you're pretty much addicted to charts when you're looking at Forex. But crypto is a little bit more fundamental, so that's exactly what I'm kind of anticipating here. Is crypto is a little bit more fundamental. It's a lot more structured, a lot more technology and news driven than Forex. So let's go check it out, guys. Whoops, I am still in that. Okay, let's check it out. So when is it going to drop? When is it going to drop? That is the big question. So we're going to pull down to the 2 hour, and we're still looking at the MACD. We have already crossed the 2 hour, but it still looks like we're continuing to go back up. Isn't that bizarre? And I think there was a little bit, we were trying to reverse there, but we are still headed down. Sell signal just hitting on the 28th, 8 a.m. today on the 2 hour. Looks like we're going down in the short term. RSI is still impressively above 70. So RSI meaning it is overbought, right? Low RSI meaning oversold. High RSI meaning overbought. So therefore we are overbought. Therefore it says we are due for a correction. But would I listen to these charts completely 100%? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But am I going to be selling a little bit of my position? Yeah, it's looking like I am going to do that. I have a stop loss right now for 98, so around 98.50, so $9,850. So that's exactly what I have my stop loss at for on GDAX. So keep an eye out for that. I mean, like if you look at the hourly, we're seeing a lot of uncertainty here. We're actually seeing a buy signal on the hourly, so definitely doesn't look like we're headed down anytime soon on the extreme short term on the hourly, and we're going to continue looking at this even closer time frame. We're going to go into the 30 minutes, and you know that's what I love to go into. I mean, we are looking like we're going to cross again. When will BTC stop, guys? When will BTC stop? Nobody knows. We're going to continue looking at your BCH rise, BCH fall, BCH going down if everybody is bullish. Not necessarily true. BCH almost tags along with Bitcoin saying, hey, Bitcoin, if you're going up for a ride, on a roller coaster ride, you know, BCH is not too far behind you. At 10K, Dragon Slayer will arrive. 10.25.11 was a mistake. You know, go if you're a Dragon Slayer believer, go ahead and watch that Roger Ver interview with Bitcoin Error Log. That was some of the most embarrassing stuff I've ever seen from a professional. I don't care if you're a millionaire or you're broke. I don't really care. But when you conduct yourself like that, you're not you're not convincing anyone to buy your coin, Bcash or Bitcoin Cash. You know, and I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin Cash just yet. It's still a hedge. Am I 100% certain that Bitcoin will be the true future? And you know, I don't know. Coinbase still has to release their Bitcoin Cash functionality. There's a lot of merchants that are picking up Bitcoin Cash without a doubt. You know, a lot of my income comes into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. Excuse me. And yeah, it's going to be a difficult and tricky road ahead. But we're going to take a look at Bitcoin Cash to see what's really going on. And let's see, BCH, and we're going to look at the dollar indicator for BCH. It's not very fair to compare against Bitcoin because, I mean, who could compare to Bitcoin? It's the king. It's the one and only in my eyes right now. But am I selling anything right now? Absolutely not. So let's turn off these candles. What is going on? 4-hour indicator here. So we had a downward trend. We had an upward trend. And we said, hey, this is going to be a decision point right around here. And what do you know? We sold off around here. And I picked up a little bit around there. Just easy charting going on, you know, and then we saw an upward trend. I actually didn't pick anything up here. I didn't do anything here. I didn't make any trade calls or anything there. So I've just been, you know, riding the wave for Bitcoin Cash. See what's going on with the MACD. 4 hours still looking terrible. 2 hour looking terrible. 1 hour looking not great, but it's still looking like it could consolidate a little bit. I mean, let's see the best case scenario. See if we could hit around there, the $1,400 mark. That would be perfect zone to buy. I mean, we're gonna, whoops, sorry about that. So we are seeing negative momentum still going on, and we're gonna see if we're gonna actually see green momentum come back in. And I really think we will see some green momentum come back in. But we're gonna zoom into the 30 minutes, see what's going on real deep and up close. Lots of consolidation here. That's what this is telling me, is that we're constantly breaking the MACD on the 30-minute. Not too strong of an indicator for the 30-minute. You know, you definitely do want to look at your 2 hour or 1 hour or 4 hour. That's a little bit stronger of an indicator for your MACD, but we're still looking at 30-minute indicators here. Just more consolidation. Nothing the market could tell us right now. Buy signals, sell signals, buy signals, sell signals. Stoichiometric RSI still a little bit high. I still think we could drop a little bit. Again, to those levels I drew in white. Definitely looking like Operation Dragon Slayer is a bust right now, but we will see. We will see. Maybe we will take off after this red momentum. Maybe we will. I'm holding on to my Bitcoin Cash. If you are a Bitcoin Cash believer or a big block believer, you better be hoping and praying that Roger Ver is not running off with your money and a lot of these whales, because a lot of these whales are coming out of South Korea. I mean, let's just take a look at where this money is coming out of. A lot of this money is Korean, so let's go check it out. And the Korean money is pretty much essentially Chinese money flooding the market in Korea. So we are a whole $150 ahead. Korea is $150 ahead of the entire market. That means Coin One and BitHub, massive exchanges, almost completely manipulating the Bitcoin Cash exchange. The spread is $150. $150. That is insane. That's almost 10% of what Bitcoin Cash is actually worth. So 10% spread. That's insane, guys. I have not seen a spread that large in Bitcoin. So we're going to go take a look at the Bitcoin spread here. Let's go take a look. So we are seeing around $100 tops. So $100 tops we are seeing for Bitcoin at around 7x Bitcoin Cash. We are seeing $100 spread. So when you're seeing, okay, arbitrage of $150 on a $1,500 coin, and a $10,000 coin, you're seeing $100 arbitrage. So, $100 spread, and the arbitrage is that low. Which one has more volume? Which one has more stability? Which one has more market enthusiasm or market consciousness, I'd like to say? Which one has that? I would completely, wholeheartedly go with Bitcoin. I mean, this is crazy. $1,000 spread. Sorry. $1,000 spread. Sorry guys. Yeah, my math is a little bit off. Still $1,000, 7x. Not very crazy to me. Not very crazy at all to me. As well at BitHub, everything's being traded at a premium at BitHub. I still think Bitcoin, even $1,000 to $150 spread, I still think Bitcoin is still a lot more stable, a lot more liquid, guys. A lot more liquid. I mean, let's go take a look at that. Let's go take a look at that. So we're at almost, we'll call it 5x, right? So we'll call it 5x volume for Bitcoin over Bitcoin Cash. And yeah, it's just so impressive here. So impressive. Ethereum, wow, even that $1.2 billion in market cap. We're gonna go through the Ethereum charts, and then we're gonna round out the day, guys. Don't want to take up too much of your day. Gains to be had. Everyone's happy. Let's take a look. All right, Ethereum absolutely breaking out. We drew this chart a while back. So somebody from the Moon Lounge, again, if you guys don't know what the Moon Lounge is, check out our description below on the Patreon link. It's a trading room that I'm pretty much on 24/7. Me and Sam are on pretty much 24/7. Just an investment discussion group. Absolutely brilliant people there. I mean, we're at the 30-minute mark. I need to pull out to the 4-hour. So somebody in the Moon Lounge actually pointed out this bullish pattern, this flag pattern, and was like, "Hey, we're gonna break out right here." And lo and behold, we broke out right there on the bullish flag, and we are skyrocketing. I mean, we are skyrocketing for Ethereum. I mean, we're gonna take a look at that, closer look. Yeah, I mean, it's 4 hours, definitely not looking great. Definitely not looking great for the MACD. 2 hour not even looking good. Let's keep looking through the 1 hour. Yeah. 1 hour. 1 hour indicator not looking great. You know, and I don't know what's going on with Ethereum. I think we are going to see that massive correction, maybe right back down to the 420, 430, 440 mark. Around there, those levels seem a little bit better than where we're at right now. I just don't think there's enough buy pressure to really hold us up this high. It's definitely definitely interesting to see. So let's take a look at what the buy trends are doing. Yeah, so we are headed down. That's what it's looking like for Ethereum. I'll probably look to pick some more back up at 420, 430. I think I would definitely trade some Bitcoin back into Ethereum at those levels. I mean, definitely don't take my word for it. Do your own research and look into the charts. And we are going to go through the YouTube ending. Whoops. Okay, go check out CryptoSomniac.com. Everything news related. We have pretty much exchange info. Go through your favorite exchanges and sign up for our newsletter, guys. We have a weekly newsletter. Bitcoin Beginner's Guide is right now. Later this month, or next month rather, we'll have a top 3 crypto picks of the month. Definitely very interesting stuff to see. And let's keep going through here. Insane gains, Stellar Lumens, IBM talks. There's an AMA on Reddit right now with Stellar Lumens. You know, fantastic gains, kind of hashing out and detailing what their partnership is with IBM. Absolutely amazing. QuantStamp had a massive run up. I think it was due for a little correction. Not too blaring news. I would like to point out, I looked at their Twitter, their Reddit, their Bitcoin talk forum. I tried to scour the internet for it. Not too negative news. Still coin to look out for. Komodo. You know, after Ethereum, pretty much the only proof of work platform that you're able to host decentralized ICOs on. Absolutely impressive. And guys, so we're actually going to switch this up. Go into our Facebook page. So it's facebook.com/CryptoSomniac. So I'll actually change that live on air, guys. So let's do that. Facebook.com/CryptoSomniac. Do go ahead and take a look at that, guys. Retweet it. Retweet when this video does become available. And we're actually going to pick a winner right now over on Twitter. Over on Twitter, we're going to go repick a winner here. Let's go check it out. I'm going to pull out Twitter. All right. Okay, so we got 6 retweets. So 6 people. All right, we're just going to do this random number generator. All right, 1 through 6. And I'll do left to right. So number one, Stefan Burford. We'll reach out to you, or you reach out to us. You know, direct message us, or tweet us, or Facebook message us. We'll get you your free Kyber. Congratulations.
We'll reach out to you.
Yeah, we'll reach out to you. I don't know. It was random. Sorry about that, guys. We'll reach out to you. Definitely congratulations. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so, yep, congratulations, Kyber Network again. Omise goes. Vitalik Buterin's, you know, one of the projects he's advising, he's only hosting 2 projects, or advising 2 projects. That's Omise Go and Kyber. So congratulations, guys. One of my favorite coins right now. Subscribe if you guys haven't. You know, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit that little bell, and anytime I come online, you know, you'll be notified. Moon Lodge subscription is running out. You know, the deadline is December 1st. Check us out if you would like to join the Moon Lounge in the description below. We have a course over at Udemy. If you're new to crypto or want to know more about technicals or how I do research on my coins, check out our Udemy course, only $10. Again, in the description below. Check out our Facebook group, absolutely free. 18,000 members, absolutely amazing. Great content. We try to filter it as best as we can, but it is good content. It's solid content. Get a lot of my news from there. Setmore, we do a lot of one-on-one appointments. Absolutely amazing, guys. Just good stuff. If you want to pick our brain or do anything, me and Sam are both available. So appreciate you guys for watching. Take it easy. My name's Snay here at Crypto Simnek. Peace out, guys.
Never say reach out to us.
Dude,
that's reach out to them. Dude, we give away the Kuiper. I'm not expecting them to come back to me.
That's what we did the entire first half.
Entire first half of what?
Wait, I